everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tanya. Today I've got something a little different for you. A company called GSJJ.com reached out to me to collab so I could share some wonderful products with you that I think you're going to enjoy. GSJJ.com has manufactured custom medals, custom pins, keychains, stickers, ornaments, and so much more. They have over 20 years experience in the manufacturing. They offer free shipping to the US, UK, Canada, and Australia with free designs and artwork and a create your own option. I am sure you will find something that you will enjoy with all of the products that they have to choose from. And the factory direct prices make this one-stop service worth checking out. They have over 5,000 excellent reviews, referral program, friends can save 10% off, and you get 5% in points. Everyone, if you love to create like I do, I know you're going to love the products that I designed and GSJJ.com created. And for the best part, I will give away 20 of these products to my subscribers. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a moment. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and start our unboxing. I am really excited about what I ordered from them, and I really do hope you enjoy this today. This is not normally the kind of video that I would do, but I just thought that this would be something fun. Once I realized that I could create a design and they would make that for me, I was just so happy about that. And I had been thinking about these keychains, and everyone, they have done such a wonderful job. Now I got several of these, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway today because I want all of you to be able to have one of these. And if you're like me and you love to create, well, this is the perfect little keychain for us. Let's see if I can get into one of these. But everyone, today I'm going to be giving away 10 of these, and I'll tell you here in a moment what you'll need to do for that. But here it is, and this is how I created it to kind of go with my brand on my channel here. Love to create, and I thought it would be nice to have the little florals here. But everyone, these are just so well made. I could not be happier with the quality of these. The thickness is great. They have a really nice ring to latch your keys onto, and very well manufactured. I'm so pleased with these, everyone. And they have so many items. They have everything you can imagine. They have magnets too. They've got ornaments that you can design. They have belt buckles. They have patches that you can create for hats. There is so many gift ideas that this company has, and I don't know if you're like me, I love to have little stocking stuffers, and even doing like these little personalized keychains. I thought, what a fun little thing to do. So I'm definitely going to be going back and having some more items made. But I definitely wanted to share them with you today, and they were kind enough to send me these. So I definitely wanted to share all of that with you too. But you can see here, I've got several of those. Now the next thing I got was just some stickers, and the reason why I got these, I thought this would be a really, really fun little something to put maybe on the back of your DIY, or something that you were giving as a gift. Now you may not want to use these on all of your DIYs, and I'm doing some artwork, as some of you may know, and I thought, what a fun little way to just pop one of these on the back. And I really like these too. They're really well made. And they've got the split in the back, the design that I picked out. And I don't want to peel it off because I want to save it to use. But they are wonderful. And I just see so many things that we can do with some of the items that they have there. And you can create your own. That is the best part of this. And now the pricing on a lot of this stuff will depend on what you design and how many of the items that you want to purchase. And like I said, they have some discounts on there that you'll be able to get. And of course, your friends, when you refer a friend, they'll get a discount, and then you'll get points. But everyone, I definitely want you to check them out. I think GSJJ is a really great company. And like I said, it's not something that I normally would have checked out. But once I got on there and realized that I could create something like this for my YouTube channel, or just the fact that I love to create. Let me grab that other one there. You can really see it a lot better here. But everyone, they are just so nice. I could not be happier to have a keychain and just some fun little stickers. And you can create sheets of stickers from there, and you can do the individual stickers. And I definitely want you to check them out, because I do think that there's some items that you'll be able to use for your creating, and also for gift ideas, and definitely Christmas. That's just going to be a wonderful one. But they have a lot of items, and like I said, I think it's definitely one that you need to take a look at. But everyone, with that being said, I want to tell you a little bit about the giveaway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give away 10 of these, and what you'll get is the 2 items. You'll get a keychain and the sticker. And the first 10 people that can comment below that are subscribed to my channel, and I need to know that you checked out one of the links below, and just let me know that you hopped over to their site and you saw some items that you may be interested in. And not that you have to purchase right now. I just want you to let me know that you went to check them out. And maybe you tell me something you saw that you might work on later on. But that's pretty much it. If you'll just let me know you popped over there and subscribe to my channel, the first 10 people that comment, I will be sending out one of the keychains and one of the stickers for you. And what you'll need to do is you'll just need to email me your address. But when the video's done and I count out the first 10 people, I'll leave you a message and let you know what you need to do and everything, so I can get these shipped out to you. But everyone, definitely give this company here a look. I think they're wonderful. I am really glad that they reached out to me. So a big thank you to gsjj.com for reaching out to me, and I am hoping that all of my subscribers will enjoy them as much as I have. Now, there will be 3 links in the description below. There is the main link to their channel, and then there will be a link for the keychains and a link for the stickers. But everyone, pop on over there. Definitely want you to check the items out. And if you're interested in having these items for the giveaway, just leave it in the comments below. Well, everyone, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. And I will see you on the next one.